Yo! What is up, guys? Nick Nakai here. Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. It's the first time here. Please hit that subscribe button down below. So sorry I missed Sunday's upload. I did upload a couple shorts on Friday and Saturday, but I just want to make this video, give you guys a huge freaking shout out. We hit 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. This is like a giant milestone to me. Like, I can remember when I first started YouTube, it was I started this YouTube channel March 16th in 2018. Originally it was about like drift content, stuff like that, all things drift, pretty much all drift stuff. And I actually didn't start vlogging until early October 2018, and that was kind of my first vlog with the power steering video. If you guys have been around since then, you can see I was like super awkward on camera and stuff. What's up, guys? Nico here. Today I'm going to start pulling off my power steering pump on my S14. Until about May 2019, where I did my first day in the life as a Toyota technician, that really just blew up on YouTube and like got me like a lot of exposure. So that was super awesome, and I just want to say thank you guys, really. Like, when I first started this YouTube channel, I did not think it was going to get this big. I was kind of just putting up vlogs about my life, trying out different types of videos and stuff, and now it's gotten to the point where I'll get a lot of messages from you guys, direct messages on Instagram, telling me like how much I motivate you guys to kick ass in the automotive industry, or like how much I helped you or guided you to like get your foot in the door at a dealership. And like, when I get messages like that, like it really motivates me to make more content for you guys, because it's like, it's honestly a good feeling helping people out. Like, when I know that my videos are out there helping youngsters like you guys, or even experienced techs out there, tour reviews, ASC, study guides type, whatever videos I put out there to help you guys, it's like a really good feeling. So just want to make this video to give you guys a huge thank you. 25,000 is like huge to me. I did not think this channel was going to get this big, and we're just getting started. So like I said, just want to say thank you guys so much. But not only do I want to say thank you guys for sticking with me, if you've been here from the start or if you're just tuning in, I want to thank you guys by giving you guys a $100 Visa gift card to one lucky winner. Whoever drops a comment, I'm going to go ahead and do like a raffle style video of everyone who drops a comment, and one lucky winner is going to win a $100 Visa gift card. So if you want to enter, drop a comment. But just wanted to put together this special little montage of my favorite moments throughout all my YouTube videos. So huge shout out to anyone who's been a part of the videos, anyone who's supported my videos and helped this channel grow. So like I said earlier, thank you guys very much, and cheers to many more. What's up, guys? Nico here. Today I'm going to start pulling off my power steering pump on my S14 to try to rebuild it.
Just let me know if something starts catching on fire.
Alright. I guess there's fucking cops. Guys, I want to introduce you to one of my main homies. Nate right here.
Yo!
He actually bought me my first lunch here. Like, I guess he was yo. Tapped into another wire that gets 12 volt. Gonna want to line that up, clutch a lighting tool. Usually if you're buying OEM parts, they're gonna sell you just the regulator. I want to fill the reservoir with fluid, shifting to one side of the tank, and you might run dry. So once you have the oil pan dropped, sway bar's out, reacts to anything on a 240 S14 is a 36. That's not fucking normal. Fuck yeah, boy. Alright, so we're gonna try and manhandle the trans out.
Go back so we get clear the frame.
Oh, we're gonna.
Heavy line parts replacer. And heavy line parts replace your senior.
Behind him, the guy who got fired. The camera has the guy who got fired.